What do you like to eat for breakfast? I like something simple, like cereal. But do you know how much sugar they contain? And so is granola. They're very cheap and you never know what's inside them. So, today we're gonna be making our very own granola. So, let's begin. We're gonna be using rolled oats, almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon. We're going to be adding everything to the rolled oats, starting with almonds. Add sunflower seeds with pumpkin seeds, and finally cinnamon. So, just a quick mix. We're going to be putting this aside and we're going to be continuing to our wet ingredients. Now, for wet ingredients, we have coconut oil, orange skin, orange juice, and honey. It's important for the orange juice and honey to be room temperature because if it isn't, it will make the coconut oil harden. Now, we will mix it all up. Start mixing. Just a quick mix and let's add it to our oats. And now we'll mix it very well until all the oats are covered with the wet mixture. And now we'll transfer our granola to the baking pan. Here it is. It's kind of heavy. Now we'll spread the granola evenly. Let us spread it until it's one even layer, so it will bake evenly. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, so we will be baking our granola at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. And we will also be mixing it every 10 to 20 minutes so it will all bake evenly. This ingredients over here can only be added in the last 10 minutes because if we add it before that, it will all burn up. So now we'll be adding our dried ingredients. First, dried cherry. Then dried goji berries and raisin. Lastly, coconut leaf chips. And now we will be mixing them quickly. And now I'm done. So here it is, the perfect granola. Just look at this, it's just perfect. I mean, I wish you were here right now to be with me and eat this. Because this is the perfect source for fiber, vitamin, and iron. It's so delicious I can eat it any time of the day. I open my eyes, I see this, I will eat it. Subscribe, hit that like button for more videos. Do not miss out. Bye!